and going down Monteagle westbound. Even with 44,000 pounds in the box, just let the engine brake do the work. Push button controls, not like the old days. Have to find a gear and shitty brakes or no engine brake, and I don't miss those years at all. You can see where a lot of vehicles went into the wall right here, huh? Which that's a fun ride. Keeps you from going over the other side and really making a mess, I suppose. Alright, nobody coming in. I'm gonna go around this guy. Lean forward like that to see the right side Mickey Mouse mirror, just to make sure there's nobody scooting up there before I come around this guy, because they'll do that. I'm just letting the truck do all the work. The drivetrain, the whatever. $79 miles to Crashville.